Yeah, I know. I'm running straight at him because I need a fucking gun. You got a gun and I didn't? I'm actually dead if he sees me.
Got a pistol.
I'm running for it. Guy's a fucking idiot. He just got juked hardcore. Please tell me he went over to the right.
Oh, what the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? I fucking threw a nade. Dude, so I throw a nade in the crate as he runs in. He runs in, jumps in, gets hit by the nade, flies right back out. Doesn't die. Doesn't get knocked.
Wow.
I looted 2 of these things, and I got a magnum. I looted the middle one, he got a scar. And he didn't see me when I was in the same fucking little block as him. Alright, we got this. Just gotta pretend I'm McCree.
Oh, okay. No worries, man.
I'll get him, don't worry. I can see him.
No fucking matches, mate. One beats me in the head.
Where'd he go? He just dropped down here somewhere. There he is.
Get him.
Oh, there's Milvet on me, bro. Wait, that's a little
No.
You don't want to do potato
Legit
wings?
strat, mate. No, I shot him 3 times. Potatoing. I got legit strats here. Oh, that's the guy that headshot.
Potatoes?
He's got killed by...
Oh, gosh.
Got the kill.
McLovin. McLovin.
I got 2 bullets. With your name on it, Anthony.
Do it. I want you to just end it. Nice.
I got...
Did you kill him with that gun?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you should have seen it. That guy headshot you 1 shot. I was just like shooting, taking a step, shooting. He couldn't hit me, mate. I'm gonna loot that guy, get his SKS. Got 1 bullet left.
he's going for that body as well, dude.
Yeah, I know.
Wait for him to pick it up, man. Just crouch there. Just peek the corner. Loot the body. Guy ran, bro. Fucking shit himself.
He's got bullets in the shotgun.
No bullets.
Nah.
Oh. Go straight ahead. No.
3 bags.
Oh. There's a guy, by the way, to your right, to your left right now. He's getting shot at, dude. Stop peeking. He's right next to you, dude.
Open.
Don't go out, don't go out. Oh.